Mama Akwaba, wa frame Ajua search name, Mesrel, na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ene busuafo asante funi bi eno mo kase na won se mo ka yina ne se aho sisie no. Hopsi na doye. O se ma na asante fo ento aba enfema His Excellency Dr. Bawumia. Ne won won to ma ya Alan Cash. Na se Bawumia so NPP ni ogina NPP nso ye Ashanti Region Party. En Alan Cash nso ate no hono so ya Asante ni. Nzo mo anto ama na Alan Cash dia. En ade nti no mo nto ma ye Dr. Bawumia en afen so na po. En empo na po nso ya Asante ni. Nzo mo anto ama na po a mo chama wa ya Alan Cash. Na da Alan Cash ni kuma so no kwa na ye dia. En Asante fu bi akọmadwe. Ni ye ni NPP fo to ma be wie Alan Cash something no ase adan ya ka ese o no di ade di na edu ne so o mo afa ma ne de wate no dadi bi ntene abrodo be ye Ashanti Region de o chaga ne mu ne na Asante fo so se hene ha wo boada Ashanti Region ye NPP party tie na fi gene chen ye nhwe ma okra yinti nsema o mo de etija.
Things that this continuation very beautiful university, very beautiful one. And Kofodia crowd me fi crown Kofodia me fa Kofodia township Kofodia regional hospital bia or musi on very big one, very big one. And I was very impressed with that regional hospital because I don't have to go to Accra from Suhum. I can just go to Kofodia if I need healthcare service. I don't even Accra crown me go from Suhum to Accra. So mu years amasama kwanya sister here. I don't have to live in Accra. Just like Abricha me drive 1 hour 45 minutes. Now I can drive 45 minutes from Suhum to Accra, go and come back and be able to do anything and get out. And that kind of development in your continuation. But maybe as to the vote, sometimes I don't know before now. I wonder say, these people saying Ashanti Region Fund they will not go and vote, but vote for them because of my input to Juma or voter region. Sometimes and this for no kasa o mu bi so mu na voter for no to your mu. The amode bo MPP for su boy na MPP for nya hwe Ashanti Region dey petition them voter for NDC dan na mo aya mom. Mo nko hwe o mu town road ho hoy ne sa da MPP for the baba ye ni nyina mom. Nti se mun fi say ba bia munya vote no ehun nya so mbere word o ma me pa mo cho mo ba voter for no mo nko trom dia mo aya mom a enu nti no election ye amokoi no mo nko to abama dan jo mama na mo kasa ya na mo hwe mo chi na mo kasa ni bi ya say mo feel say Ashanti for there say bi dia mo ka no mo tie o mo hwe mo because mo nim dia ma enye say mo e bi papa bi o voter na mo de no ba bi yo mo ahi no maka so ampa de NDC for kan de no pre say bi o voter region do mo sie se o nyina fine na MPP for no mo de Ashanti region mo nsi sa na man people watch they compare into kasa na wasusu na wa asem na aka no wa carry no won say sabe crofo na no mo kasa na o mo say bufu aba obia bufu baby. But so who catch them say MPP ntimi win vote Ashanti region na wo no NDC na betimi win na sabe ala ne party bi a develop Ashanti region na wo say na pono no fi Ashanti region there Ashanti for no ntoma no na ala no no fi on the ombeto ama no na ne ka yetimi a bold statement bi pa
I like your analogy.
some bold assumptions be I'm like people are very bold with their assumptions so when the facts are before them. Until I can tell you, sir, the election, no, the Greater Accra will be difficult for MPP, but no hopes in KBB. MPP votes not 1 million, about 500. Sister, if you can say before you are begging, Uncle Fubu, definitely will not vote for them in this election. It would have say 250 official. For say even 300,000 votes, 500, 300,000 official to MPP this time. So 200,000 votes. Do you know what kind of work it would take to make up for that kind of 200,000 votes in an election? Yeah. And an election in which even the NDC have not shown full force in this election campaigning like when Atames was there and they used to campaign in previous election. In this election, NDC has been led to the game in terms of their forceful nature of campaigning. And you think that it's easy to fill Accra Sports Stadium 3 times and not 2 times to make up those numbers. Meanwhile, NDC is coming from a deficit. And yes, now 51 or workers or more cross. They have to make up for the deficit from 47, cover 48, 49 before they can cross 50 and make up for 200,000 vote difference into the other Ghana. Now, you say one year fact based analysis, what the emotions and what the facts of the data will play.
And I'm a catch NDC supporters and say, Omunja item the dear no moon call ground, no munya juma. What the bay attend with ya? Man, Central Region cry, Jena no poker free or cry 8%. Who did he at one was a lose election, Poto was a. So it's not about insult. Get on the ground and work. Get on the ground and work. Of good evening.
Stefia, Mijusu, that
Pano, now Empa is sit dining bimu. Maybe a penny phone, and another when yati wati. Eh, now one that was a man we cry. I don't think I what I know. We are stubborn. My kitchen say limited no ma. Paki been about me about but was almost why I came for. Omuye, oye, ched 1% be ba. Me can kwasa sem sisia, me ba betu bomb sisia ma ko fast ma brem. O metu bomb sisia ma bobo me majai kan beka.
Madam Standard. Madam you. You won't. Another friend. Oh, madam.
Ena me no, me drum busia na me ka se bi omni be. O se no mo dwi honum no. Na me ka se bi omni be ayi, fence because o ma fro na ho stadium ayi. Amasa ma bobo ni ade o tell me feel say bi a mo be new stadium. I said no mo kire me say aban na abaji hu abase hu na obisisi affordable houses. Ye camp to djuma betime mo ban na be dia mo si banku. Na wo tie NDC for platform so no mo de banku ne milk na yi ada amadwene. Ye campaign 2016 e dey to o made so no ne ye de bo money ko bi na ye campaign na nado force push free education no ne ye de banku bo money na ye campaign wo mu ne ase bu kento mo de bo money ko bi je na enchin en emesoa enu ti no mutimi ma police for o mo ne yahin ene ate da mo mu bon kan na police for ni ba bida a police for ni ba bi ko toilet a police for nyem pa bole ntafa nje na wo di sika to cars e de mass ajimi for we say so called actresses na ye police na to ba NDC dia wan ga sabjeje se we police na wonye sa de we na awie na ko gina ho na se wo gogro motik pose se enantwebin na de ko mie do mahama so a wo de dan mu na eja hyew nko a ama wo de dan nu ma de ba gina nko a hye na na nhye ne san so obe free stro obe free balkona abehwe fom poo awu because wo yo mampofo won pen kanko se ni pare o se wo free stro be hwe fom poo na wu so ye police ni na wonye se no ma we nyina na wo de so no pa na wa san ko so re mi ko toba na wa free kokko bote fe adenya pim yo mahama wo be free e se wo free dan so wo se wo so be hatade a e jiw di free so na ko be wo tim na wu because mo ye fun ya binum e ya bro woni ate ni hahini adede ma mo kan ene wakoda perfume rice in finfin he said that a perfume rice e dan na Ghana rice perfume rice say e dan ya ufri anu ufri e dan ya o mo si before so be gate kura no ehwe bi nwura wuye mu no etimma wo yare nna se na no ayi helicopter kura ka se unye wura dem won na pressure na ate so wo pressure kura wo so a wo pressure wura dan nu mu a o mo so unye wura mu unye twi na pressure ate ko bra na wo da hahin mu no na odisika to dan ema Miss Ben no netis buachi e wo East Legon Trasaco because yakotwa ni ben ma de go mfon so ana eri bodonko e begu nanimu asinti omuji no a onti so ko opposition kura no mguso we no eno ho ne ko papa ne ba yin na police fo onfo mo nya hwe police fo onfo mo nya hwe eninyamia ya dom ene wono yire da kura na onfa de ngitire wo na nsem ho no na muda ate ne hahin edan na mo ne mo yire da ase mo de obande yi ayi e kan say mascarina yi telikasa ide nose mask e tire mo hen